Dive into the depths of the Pacific Ocean, where in 1997, a mysterious, ultra-low frequency sound known as the Bloop was captured by NOAA's hydrophones. This powerful, enigmatic audio event sparked worldwide intrigue and countless theories. Was it the call of a colossal, undiscovered marine creature, geological activity, or something more otherworldly? Despite numerous investigations, its origin remains uncertain, fueling debates and curiosity. In today's analysis, we'll explore the leading theories, from giant squids to shifting icebergs, and examine what makes the Bloop such a captivating mystery. As scientists continue to unravel the ocean's secrets, we ask, could the Bloop hint at unknown life forms lurking in the abyss, or is it simply a natural phenomenon? Join us to delve deeper into one of the ocean's most puzzling sounds.